Okay, so I think it might be a little bit of an adventure trying to find the hotel. Moving on, finally. Started in Cairo, Alexandria, New Alamein, and I'll be following the coast to Marsa Matruh. We made it! Wow. Good morning from New Alamein. So, I am about to head on, moving on finally, to Marsa Matruh, which is a beautiful coastal city that has actually been existing for a while, so it is not new like this place is, and therefore I believe there should be more life. We will see though. I've just packed up everything and I'm ready to just jump on the bike and get out of here. This will be the route. So, yep, I'm in New Alamein right now. Started in Cairo, Alexandria, New Alamein, and I'll be following the coast all the way up. This pen doesn't work, but you see the path to Marsa Matruh. So yeah, that is the destination for today. It only takes about 3 hours, so again, very short ride. I'm wondering about the kilometers actually. I think that's on a motorcycle. Let's see. Marsa Matruh. Internet. There we go. 186 kilometers. So 3 hours, 186 kilometers on a two-wheeler. We'll see. I'll be making stops as usual. I always do. So just to stretch, get off, maybe use the bathroom. Probably not. So, all right, enough blabbering. Let's jump on the bike and head to Marsa Matruh. Yalla bina. Just got gas. So ready for the trip to Marsa Matruh. Let's get out of here. Super windy out here, you guys. It's tough work driving like this to control the bike. So just 30 minutes away from Marsa Matruh. My ass is sore, so I stop a lot to stretch. But yeah, there's still nothing out here. So not recording much, just a little bit here and there. But the cameras will come out once we arrive to Marsa Matruh. Marsa Matruh. Reminds me of Aswan a little bit. I don't know why I'm thinking that, but it's not. It's, you know, by the sea. Do people actually listen to these lights? I guess they must. Huh. Get a look at the city. Crazy. Yeah, this is definitely a city. Not Alamein. I didn't visit old Alamein, so maybe there was more happening there. Apparently, I'm supposed to go left up here, I think. I'll wait for the lights again, just to get a closer look at this place. We got a bank, CPC, great. Maybe they can do an oil change for me. Heading to my hotel. Cool city. So far I'm liking it. I'm liking that there's life. Yalla bina. Oh wow. My hotel's supposed to be right here. And they're stopping cars. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. I wonder what they stop all these people for all the time. Police. Okay, so I think it might be a little bit of an adventure trying to find the hotel. It's on the other side of the street, but the directions given were also showing that, oh, I'm not allowed to do a U-turn here. That doesn't make much sense. I'll just go up further, see what happens. Well, that guy is like, wow, what was he wearing? Looked like he was just walked straight out of a tribe. Yeah, so I can go here. And I need to figure out, it wants me to go that way again? Okay, I can do that. Speed bump, so that bird gives me a break to get through. Where, oh where is this hotel? Because it legit says it's like right here. It did say it was behind some store. So I'm thinking maybe I should go right. Oh, that's the guy I was talking about. Well, he's on something. And I think it's just like a woman's sexy dress thing. Not sure why he's wearing it, but okay, I think I might have to go around. Can we get through? This guy's going. So here, it's supposed to be there. Maybe I should call them. Yeah, even the call to prayer sounds like us one. I'm not sure. A little bit strange. Maybe we'll do another circle around the block. Definitely not like well signed. Adriatica. Oh, السلام عليكم. عندي سؤال. أنتي عارفة فين فندق أدرياتيكا؟ أوه هنا. الحمد لله شكرا. مع السلامة. Well, that was very convenient. Thank you, ladies. So, it explains why I didn't know. It was a big sign in Arabic. Yeah. We made it. Yeah. Marsa Matruh, baby. Mwah. Okay, let's put the cameras away and go check in. And we've made it to my room here in Marsa Matruh. So I'm staying at Adriatica Hotel, something like that. And it's not the cheapest room, because I needed to make sure there was Wi-Fi, and a lot of places I was looking at that were cheaper did not have Wi-Fi. So here we are. Welcome to my humble abode. That view outside, let's go look. So I have a fridge, the bed, bathroom, great. Wow. Haha. What a view! Welcome to Marsa Matruh, baby. Amazing. Yeah, we made it. This is a city. It looks like fun. I am excited to go driving around and explore. I don't know how long I'm going to be here. Probably not that long. I booked just 2 nights, so I have part of today, tonight. Sleep. I have the whole day tomorrow, and then the next day I do plan to go to Siwa. Things can always change. Like I said, I leave them open for a reason. But yeah, wow. There's my motorcycle. That's nice. I can check on it anytime I want. I love that. And there's cameras all outside. I asked him about that. He also gave me some recommendations for restaurants. And I need to change my oil, and he was kind of pointing out some places for me to do that as well. So right now I need to just start moving files and uploading, now that I have internet, to YouTube, my next video. But yeah, so beautiful. That sea is just absolutely stunning. Wow. So I am very pleased, yeah. Alright guys, well I guess that's going to conclude the vlog. We have arrived to Marsa Matruh. Stay tuned for what's coming next because like I said, I will be exploring this seaside city far away from Cairo, sort of near Libya, and it's gorgeous. I'm excited to try some food. It's apparently famous for, well, I'll tell you in the next vlog. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.